Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best recipe card dividers is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for any home cook, transforming a chaotic stack of beloved family recipes into an organized, easily accessible culinary library, ensuring your grandmother's secret pie crust or that perfect weeknight dinner is always just a glance away, protected and ready for your next kitchen adventure. Number 5. Find it Tabbed Index Cards FT07216. Struggling to keep your important information in order? These unique tabbed index cards are designed to help you organize everything from recipes to contacts with unprecedented simplicity. Unlike standard cards, they feature 3 distinct tab positions. These tabs serve as customizable guides or dividers, making categorization effortless. Each pack contains 48 tabbed 3 by 5 inch cards, all ruled on both the front and back. Their thoughtful design ensures you have plenty of space for all your notes. Boasting a patented design, they allow for easy viewing and retrieval of information. This innovative feature ensures your organized data is always at your fingertips. Whether for personal or professional use, these cards adapt to your needs. They are perfect for anyone looking to streamline their organizational system. What we like? These unique tabbed index cards are perfect for anyone who values quick access and efficient organization. Their patented design allows for easy viewing and retrieval, making your recipe management a breeze. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to categorize and find your recipes instantly, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. White 8.5 by 11 Recipe Binder Kit. Discover the ultimate way to keep your culinary creations in order. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start your personalized recipe collection today. Crafted with a sturdy, spill-resistant hardcover and beautiful gold foil accents, it's designed to withstand daily kitchen use. Its premium 300 GSM paper ensures your precious recipes are preserved for years to come. Inside, you'll find a large 8.5 by 11 binder, 60 recipe cards, 8 themed dividers, and 30 protective sleeves. It also includes labels and extra pages for holidays, making it incredibly versatile. Enjoy larger line spacing on cards and pages for effortless reading. Plus, it features helpful charts for kitchen conversions, healthy food tips, and even space for your gourmet secrets. While perfect for recipes, its high-quality paper is also ideal for jotting down notes, family stories, or even creating a project diary. It's a durable companion for all your important writings. Looking for a unique present? This makes an ideal gift for women who love to cook, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a present they'll truly cherish. What we like? This comprehensive recipe binder kit offers everything you need to start your culinary collection. Its aesthetic and durable design, with a spill-resistant laminated finish, ensures your treasured recipes are well protected and beautifully displayed. If you're seeking a complete, elegant solution to organize and preserve family recipes, this all-in-one set is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Oxford Poly Index Card Guide Set 73153. Introducing the Oxford Poly Index Card Guide Set. These are built with poly construction, ensuring they resist wear, tear, and moisture for long-lasting use. Say goodbye to manual labeling. They come with pre-printed AZ headings, making it simple to organize your index cards alphabetically right out of the box. Each set provides 25 alphabetic guides. These feature 1/5 cut tabs, offering clear visibility and easy access to your organized information. Add a splash of color to your filing system. They are available in assorted colors like blue, green lemon, magenta, and strawberry, making organization visually appealing. Designed for standard index cards. These guides perfectly accommodate 3 by 5 inch cards, fitting seamlessly into your existing setup. What we like? These poly index card guides are built to last, resisting wear, tear, and moisture. With pre-printed AZ headings, they offer an instant, structured way to alphabetize your collection. If you need extremely durable, ready-to-use alphabetical dividers for heavy use, this set is a perfect fit. What people say. Number 2. Oxford Index Card Guides 3 by 5 Manila. These versatile index card guides empower you to create a system that perfectly suits your needs. With their blank tabs, you can easily customize categories and headings for any project or subject. Crafted from rigid stock, they are designed to withstand frequent handling. You can rely on them to keep your information neatly separated and protected over time. Measuring a standard 3 by 5 inches, they integrate seamlessly with your existing index card collection. This ensures compatibility and ease of use in any standard card file. Made from durable 15-pound Manila stock, they offer a classic look and feel. This robust material provides a sturdy foundation for all your organizational tasks. Choosing them means making an environmentally conscious decision. They are produced with 10% recycled fiber, including 10% post-consumer fiber, contributing to a greener planet. What we like. These card guides feature blank tabs, giving you complete freedom to create your own unique categories and headings. Made from rigid Manila stock, they offer excellent durability for everyday use. If you prefer full customization and a classic, sturdy option for your recipe organization, this bulk pack is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Wood 3 by 5 recipe dividers, set of 9. Keep your cherished recipes neatly organized with these elegant wood dividers. They are perfect for anyone who loves to cook and wants to preserve their culinary treasures. Easily handwrite personalized text on each tab, making them uniquely yours. These make a thoughtful and practical gift for the cook in your life, perfect for any occasion. Designed specifically for 3 by 5 recipe card boxes, they fit seamlessly. Use them to categorize keepsake recipes, family favorites, or treasured holiday dishes. This set includes 9 durable birchwood dividers, arranged in 3 banks of 3. Proudly made in the USA, they offer lasting quality and a natural aesthetic. Easily sort your dishes with common categories like appetizers, desserts, meats, and main dishes. These tabs help you quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Whether for a hostess, a stocking stuffer, or Mother's Day, this set is a wonderful present. It's a practical and charming gift for any mom, grandma, or cooking enthusiast. What we like. These unique wood dividers bring a touch of natural elegance to your recipe box. You can easily handwrite personalized text on their tabs, making them truly one of a kind. If you appreciate rustic charm and want to add a personal, handcrafted feel to your recipe collection or give a thoughtful gift, these are perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.